All right, so this is example 4B. It says so in 4B we have a shape. It's a quadrilateral. It has four sides, so that's quadrilateral A. It says draw quadrilateral B, the image of quadrilateral A under reflection in the line M1. So in other words, we're asked to reflect A in the line M1. Whenever you reflect a shape, or how do we reflect a shape, is that we reflect it one vertex at a time, using the fact that in a reflection, the object and the image are the same distance from the mirror line on either sides of the mirror line. So the top vertex here is 2 units from the mirror line. So it's also, the image is going to be 2 units from the mirror line on the either side of the mirror line. On the other side of the mirror line, this vertex here is 1 unit from the mirror line. So its image is also going to be 1 unit from the mirror line on the other side. This vertex here is 3 units from the mirror line. Its image is going to be 3 units from the mirror line, but on the other side. This vertex is 1, 2, 3, 4 units from the mirror line. Its image is also 4 units from the mirror line, but on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I know the image of all 4 vertices, all I have to do is to connect them using my ruler.
The menu seems very small, but if you really just look for it, you will see where the menu does jump out at you.
All right, so line them up, connect them properly. All right, line them up, connect them. Please be careful to do this properly. I might not be 100% accurate. A is the object and B is the image. All right. All right, so we've done I. I asks us to draw quadrilateral B, the image of A under reflection in the line M1. Then II says draw quadrilateral C, the image of B under a reflection in the line M2. So 1 vertex at a time, 2 units, 2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so this would be C. Now all we have to do for C is to connect the vertices using a ruler. Be careful to be as accurate as you can. And the last part of it. All right. Let's erase some of these extra things that is because I'm using a ruler. All right. So we did draw quadrilateral B and quadrilateral C. So we've done this and we've done this. Now we're at the third part here. which says, describe completely the single transformation which the same has the same effect as the two reflection. All right, so it should be which has the same effect as the two reflection. All right, so we're to describe completely the single geometric transformation which has the same effect as the two reflections. All right, earlier I told you something. I don't know how much you remember when I said it. I said that two reflection in parallel parallel lines is equivalent to a translation. So if you look carefully, you could see that if I push A to the right, it would become what? C. If you look carefully, you'll see it. If I push A without turning it to the right, it would become C. Now, pushing a shape without turning it is a translation. So then I could say that A is mapped onto what? B. Now, let us see how much we'd have to push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A would be mapped onto C by a translation of, all right, I just did it and I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Of 12 units, right? Parallel to the x-axis only, right? So in other words, the two reflections in the lines M1 and M2 could be replaced by what? A single what? Transformation, which is a translation of 12 units what? Right only. The translation is actually T, which is what? 12, 0. All right, which is what? 12 units to the right only. You did not move up or down. All you moved was what? 12 units to the right. So that is the single transformation which may have been used to replace the two reflections. That is the single transformation which may have been used to replace the two reflections. All right, and now the question is complete.